Dear students, now paragraph 3. Narrator Khushbant Singh continues telling about his grandmother. What? No, we were certain she had always been, as we had known her, old. So terribly old. She could not have grown older and stayed at the same age for 20 years. Once again, you have to keep in your mind the same thing the writer is repeating here. No. No means, as the people said, that she was once been young, she was once been pretty. Khushbant Singh could not believe. Khushbant Singh could not trust to whatever the people said. Why? Because from the time when he saw her, from the time when he noticed her grandmother, at that time she was old, and up to death she remained old before Khushbant Singh. That is why Khushbant Singh always understood her as an old, terribly old. It means for the past 20 years, whenever he noticed her, his grandmother, whenever he observed his grandmother, he only found her old. It means old. That is why, dear students, one question is asked: how was it? Very difficult to believe that she was once been young and beautiful. The answer is because Khushbant Singh always noticed her grandmother as an old woman. He never saw her as a young woman. That is why he was totally unable to understand and to believe that she was once been young and pretty. But the people said so. The people said so. She could never have been pretty, but was always beautiful. One more thing, it is fact that she was never to have become pretty, but she was beautiful. She had been beautiful. It means so long as she remained alive, she was beautiful. Beautiful in the sense qualities, on the basis of her qualities. What she used to do, she always hovered about the house, spotless white. Hovered about means घूमती रहती थी, wandered here and there inside the house. Spotless white means सफ़ेद कपड़े पहनकर. It means white garments. You can keep in your mind all these meanings. It means वो पूरे घर में घूमती रहती थी, वांडर करती थी, सफ़ेद कपड़े पहनकर. And what she used to do? Hand resting on her vest to balance, and one hand resting weeds of rosary. एक हाथ उनका वेस्ट पर रहता था और एक हाथ में माला रहती थी. वीड्स ऑफ रोजरी मीन्स माला बेटी. जैसे बूढ़े लोग हो जाते हैं, काफ़ी बूढ़े हो जाते हैं, तो एक हाथ अपना कमर पर रख लेते हैं और एक हाथ से वो अपना काम करते रहते हैं. द सेम नेचर देयर वॉज इन खुशबंत सिंग्स मदर, ग्रैंडमदर, सॉरी. इट मीन्स वन हैंड on her vest, and with the help of one hand she used to operate her beads of rosary. It means she used to pray and continuously having a special attachment with God. Her silver locks were scattered and tightly over an puckered face, constantly moved on prayer. Silver locks means her hair was as white as silver. It means not totally calmed and organized. यानी पूरी तरीके से बाल उनके कड़े नहीं होते थे, यानी बहुत अच्छे से वो काटती नहीं थी, ना उनके ऑर्गेनाइज होते थे, बस पूरी तरीके से वो उसी मैनर में अपनी प्रेयर में पूरी तरीके से बिलीव रखती थी या बिजी रहती थी. एंड व्हाट शी यूज्ड टू लुक, शी used to look like the winter landscape in the mountains. Winter landscape in the mountains means she was as peaceful as the mountain during the winter. It means you can say an expanse of pure, white, saintly breathing peace and contentment. This line stands for she was a woman of purity. She was the woman of peace. She was the woman of satisfaction. It means overall, she was so good-natured woman. She was so special-natured woman that she always used to be peaceful, calm and peaceful, gentle and good behaviored, and having satisfaction in her life. Really, she was a good lady according to Khushbant Singh. Really, Khushbant Singh, as the narrator of the story, is giving a complete tribute and a complete honor to her grandmother. Complete honor to his grandmother without any particular extension. Thank you.